Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class I have started the one more new unit in the social part, that is the major cities in India. Yeah, the children, and I have started the first major city, that is Delhi. So New Delhi is the capital city of India and it also a union territory. Yeah, the children. So Delhi is also called the Old Delhi because of the many rulers. They ruled, they renamed, they rebuilt. Yeah, the children. First it is the Indraprasth, then it is became the Shah Jahanabad. Yeah, the children. And the many rulers, they ruled in the Delhi. Qutbuddin Aibak, Tughlaq dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Lodi dynasty. They ruled in the Delhi and numbers of monuments they constructed in Delhi. Okay children, and then we also discussed about the location of Delhi, which are the important monuments, ancient monument that is built by the numbers of dynasty. So these are all the things we have discussed. Yeah, the children. So let me recall one more time, then I will continue this lesson. So in the important monuments children, which is the built in the ancient time without using the any machine, without using the any crane and the drilling machine, they built the very beautiful buildings. It is the one of the fine architectural example. Only using the hand they made such a beautiful monument. And today also we can see that monument. Now it's became the tourist place. People comes from the other countries, other states and they visit. Clear children? So in the ancient monument we can see the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar, Humayun Tomb, Jama Masjid, which is the built in the 17th century, 12th century, some are the 11th century, 13th century. But still it is like that only, how it was in the 12th and 17th century. Clear children? So it is the fine example of the architecture. We also discussed about the modern monuments. Modern monuments means what? What we built now. Modern monuments we say. That is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Sansad Bhavan, India Gate and Amar Jawan Jyoti. These are the modern monuments in the Delhi. Like that, other tourist places are also there. That is the Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. Yeah, children. Jantar Mantar Temple is built by Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur in the 18th century. Lotus Temple, one of the wonderful piece of a modern architecture. If you see the Akshardham Temple, on the temple we can find the small dots. So this is a temple. On the wall, on the pillars, we can find the small dot. It is the statue of God. So that is the small dots we can find. So it is dotted. It is a dotted with the 20,000 statues. The dot is God, the dot is a statue only. Clear children? So it is dotted with the 20,000 statue that is in the Akshardham temple. Just you can see children, first it is the tourist place, that is the Jantar Mantar, which is built by Raja Jai Singh in 18th century AD. Next you can see the Lotus Temple, which is a wonderful piece of modern architecture and it is also known as Bhai Temple. Next is the Akshardham Temple. You can see in this image small dotted Akshardham temple is a massive temple complex in Delhi. It is dotted with 20,000 statues. And children, Delhi is also become the commercial centers. The Delhi metro has made the community in Delhi quite comfortable. It is a comfortable, that Delhi metro, it is a comfortable for all the people. Dear children, so in the Delhi we can see the Chandni Chowk is a very famous Chandni Chowk, which is the 300 years old market. Chandni Chowk. So Chandni Chowk, which was 300 years old market, built in the 17th century. When it is built, Chandni Chowk is built in 17th century, and this is the one of the oldest and busiest market in the Delhi. Always we can see the crowd in this market. Clear children? So when it is built, Chandni Chowk is built in the 17th century. Clear children? In the 17th century it is built, and which is the one of the oldest and busiest market in Delhi. So in the Delhi we can see the some of the famous personality also. They belongs to Delhi only. Okay children, Delhi has given India many famous personality like Kiran Bedi, Shah Rukh Khan, then Virendra Sehwag, Chetan Bhagat, and the captain Anuj Iyer. They are the famous personality of Delhi. So Delhi has given India many famous personality like Kiran Bedi, first woman IPS officer. Next you can see the Shah Rukh Khan, actor, famous actor. Next is the Virendra Sehwag, cricketer and awarded Padma Shri. And next one is the Chetan Bhagat, novelist. The next one is the Captain Anuj Nayyar, Kargil hero, who was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. So these are the famous personalities of Delhi. Okay children, so now we finished the Delhi major cities. Now next we'll see the next major cities, that is Mumbai. Mumbai, what we say Mumbai? Amchi Mumbai. And children, Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. And children, is also regarded as the commercial capital of the country. Commercial capital of the country, and it is also dubbed as the city of dream. City of dream. Mumbai is the city of dream for all the people. You know? Or we can see this Mumbai city. The city that never sleep, only 24 hours they are busy with their work. They are working very hard to get their dream success. So this city is also called the city that never sleep. Okay children, and it is dubbed as the dream city. Clear children? Which it is? Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Clear children? Okay children, so next major city is the Mumbai, which is the capital city of Maharashtra. You can see here children, Mumbai map, Mumbai city in the daytime. See the night view of the Mumbai, so it is also called the city of dream or the city that never sleeps. So children, here you can see the Mumbai map. Just you can see the Mumbai, which is the capital city of Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra was formed in 1960 with Bombay. First name is Bombay as its capital. Bombay was later renamed as Mumbai in 1996. In 1996. Now we'll see what is the location of Mumbai. Mumbai is situated on the, you can see it is situated on the western coast of India alongside the Arabian Sea. Western coast of India alongside the Arabian Sea. Originally a group of 7 islands, Mumbai was formed by reclaiming the islands. 7 islands joined and it's formed a Mumbai. If you see the climate of Mumbai, then the climate of Mumbai is moderately hot with high level of humidity. The winter season extends from December to February, while the summer season starts in March and ends in the June. The rainy season spans from mid-June to September. We know it that Mumbai city gets the heaviest rainfall. You know children? So children, just now I have told that a group of 7 islands, that is Mumbai, was formed. 7 islands of Bombay, now it is Mumbai in India, were collectively called the Heptanasia, which in Greek meant a cluster of 7 islands. That means 7 islands, it is joined and make one island, that is a Mumbai. Children, if you see the history of Mumbai, means it is the Mumbai has been ruled over by the Hindus, Mughal, Portuguese and the East India Company at different periods of time. Many Portuguese people, they ruled for a long time in Mumbai. Here children, you can see the 7 islands. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all 7 islands joined and it became the Mumbai Island. So children, historical monuments such as Canary Caves, which is built in 3rd century. Just you can see this temple. It is a caves, Canary Caves. You can see the images. Cave means what children? Guhe. It's a cave. Just you can see children. And there's something written on that wall. Next you can see children Jogeshwari caves. See the Jogeshwari caves children. Next you can see the Elephanta cave. So children, these all temples, Kanari caves, Jogeshwari caves, Elephanta caves, Vakeshwar temple, these all built in the 3rd century, 6th century, 12th century, indicate the influence of several rulers. They ruled in the Mumbai. Here you can see children, by 1668 most of the island city was under the British East India Company, and it was in 1687 that Bombay became their headquarter, East India Company. It became the headquarter. This is the history of Mumbai children's. Many rulers, they ruled in India and they built numbers of temples and caves. Many historical monuments we can see here. Children, here you can see some images of the British people. On 11th May 1661, King John IV of Portuguese gave Bombay as dowry to Charles II of England. After getting married his daughter Catherine Braganza. So King John, after getting married of Catherine, then King John, her father, gave the Bombay to Charles II. He given the Bombay as a dowry to Charles. Do you know children how the Bombay renamed Mumbadevi? Do you know? Bombay now Mumbai is renamed after Mumbadevi temple. Mumbadevi, the goddesses Mumba or Mahaamba, that means I. In the Marathi meaning is I, that is a mother. Bombay now Mumbai is renamed after Mumbadevi. See the goddesses Mumbadevi. Or we see the Mahaamba, in Marathi meaning is I, that is a mother. Now next we see the important places of Mumbai. You can see children Victoria Terminus, now it is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. It is the modern architecture of Mumbai, reflects a strong European influence. Many monuments and buildings in South Mumbai were constructed during the British rule. Just you can see, this is the University of Mumbai. It is constructed during the British rule. Now children will see the important tourist places in Mumbai. In that first you can see the Marine Drive. Just you can see the Marine Drive. It looks like a queen necklace. See the shape. How it is a curved shape. How it looks? It looks like a necklace of queen. Is a driveway stretching alongside the Arabian Sea. Just you can see children, night view of Marine Drive. How it looks? It looks like a necklace only. Yeah, no, children. So it is the important tourist place in Mumbai. Next tourist place you can see, children, Gateway of India was erected to commemorate the arrival of King George V and Queen Mary of England at Apollo Bandar in 1911. So children, next tourist place is Wales Museum. Just you can see the Prince of Wales Museum near the Gateway of India integrates Mughal, Maratha and Jain style of architecture. Just to see the architecture, how it is beautifully carved. You can see it is a 3-floor museum. There is a 3-floor. So children, like that, others tourist place also there, like a Flora fountain, that is called a Hutatma Chowk, Hanging Garden. Here you can see, children, Hanging Garden. Next you can see, children, Sanjay Gandhi National Park houses. That is a 2400 years old Buddhist canary caves belonging to 3rd century BC. You can see, children, Buddhist canary caves belonging to 3rd century BC. This is the important tourist places in Mumbai we saw just now. That is the Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Wales Museum, then Hanging Garden, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. These are the important tourist places. Now next we'll see, children, religious places in Mumbai. Now next is, children, religious places. Just you can see here Global Pagoda. See the temple of Global Pagoda. It looks very beautiful, no? Golden color. Next religious place is the Haji Ali Dargah. This is the Haji Ali Dargah, children. Here you can see the religious places. This is the Mahalakshmi temple. See the inside of the temple, you can see the statues, Mahalakshmi temples. Next you can see the Mumba Devi temple. Next is the Siddhi Vinayak temple. So these are the some religious places, children. We saw Siddhi Vinayak temple, Mahalakshmi temple, Global Pagoda, Haji Ali are some of the prominent religious places in Mumbai. Here you can see, children, Mumbai, Victoria. Terminus, now it is become Chhatrapati. Now how it looks in the night view. It looks very beautiful now. So children, just now we saw the religious places. Now we'll see the famous personality of Mumbai. First image you can see the Homi J. Bhabha. Do you know who is he, Homi J. Bhabha? He is a very famous scientist. Next you can see the Ratan Tata. Who is he? Yes, industrialist and the former CEO of Tata Group. Next you can see the Kumar Mangalam Birla, industrialist and the business. Next is the Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, you know it that very well. He is a famous cricketer. Next is the Sunil Gavaskar, legendary cricketer. Next one is the Medha Patkar. Who is she? Great woman activist. So these are the famous personality of Mumbai. Mumbai has given the India many famous personality like Homi J. Baba, Ratan Tata, Kumar Mangalam Birla, Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar and Medha Patkar. Do you know children, the hanging garden at Malabar Hills are built over 3 reservoirs that can store up to 300 lakhs gallon of water. Here you can see children, August Kranti Maidan. The Quit India movement was launched by Gandhiji in Mumbai in 1942 from Gwalior Tank. It is now called the August Kranti Maidan. So the Quit India movement was launched by Gandhiji in Mumbai in 1942. That is a Gwalior Tank. Now it's called the August Kranti Maidan. Do you know children, Mumbai has by far the largest number of skyscrapers in India. Just you can see the buildings, how it's tall. So children enjoy it by seeing all the places in Mumbai. How you feel by seeing all the images? Tell me, how you feel? You felt like you are there only in Mumbai. You know children? So it is called the dream city, which city never sleeps. Okay children, here you can see the Chandni Chowk, which is a redeveloped. See, this market is always busy with the people, busiest market and also oldest. So children, now here we see the important institution in Mumbai. The first one is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India, that is the RBI, National Stock Exchange of India, that is NSE, Scientific and Nuclear Institute like BARC, NPCL and departments of atomic energy. Next we see the Bombay High Court, Jawaharlal Nehru Port and the Film City. So Mumbai houses many important institutions related to the field of commerce trade. Field of commerce trade. So these are the some important institution in Mumbai. Okay children? So I hope children you will enjoy it by seeing all the images. Everything I have explained, the important monuments, tourist places, location, everything I have explained you children. So one more time I will tell you children the location of Mumbai. You can see here Mumbai is situated on the western, this is a western coastal line, no? Yes, western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. Originally, it is a group of 7 islands, and then it is formed one island, that is Mumbai. All the 7 islands, it is merged and became one island, that is Mumbai. First it was Bombay. Okay children, now it is renamed after Mumba Devi goddesses. Then we got the Mumbai. Mumbai meaning is what children? Tell me. Yes, I. That means I is in the Marathi. That means it is mother. Yeah, no children? So Marathi speaking in the Maharashtra, we can see the majority people are speaking in Marathi only. Mumbai has been ruled over by the Hindus, Mughals, Portuguese and the East India Company at different periods of time. Okay children, so this is the major city of Mumbai. I have explained you people. The next major city we will see in the next video. Thank you children.